Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I am bringing you how to make the single crochet spike stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. I have already made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. And as usual, I have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For my test swatch, the body of it is made up of regular single crochet stitches. And on the row that I am currently working, I have already made one chain and one single crochet into the first stitch. So to go ahead and make the spike stitch, the single crochet spike stitch, I'm going to show you where you're going to insert your hook. Normally you would work into this next stitch right here at the top of your work, right? You're actually going to be working down below it into any of these previous rows that you had already made. So I'm going to go ahead and work 2 rows down. I'm going to insert my hook. From behind my work, I'm going to grab the yarn that I'm working with. I'm going to bring it through that stitch, and then I'm going to loosely pull it all the way up to where this normal stitch is up here at the top of my work, right? I have 2 loops on my hook like I would normally in a single crochet. Then I'm going to yarn over. I'm going to pull through both of those loops. And this is how the spike stitch is going to look. I'm going to work a regular single crochet into the next one. So then I'm going to show you another spike stitch. I'm going to make a longer spike stitch. I'm actually going to go 4 rows down. I'm going to insert my hook here. I'm going to grab that yarn from behind. I'm going to pull it through. I'm going to loosely just pull it all the way up. So then behind my work, I'm going to bring that yarn that I'm working with up over my hook. And I'm going to pull it through the 2 loops on my hook, like a regular single crochet. Okay, I'm going to do a regular single crochet in the next one. So again, you can make these as long or as short as you want. Like I want to go all the way down here and make a really long one. So I'm going to insert my hook down here near the bottom of my work. I'm going to grab that yarn from behind. I'm going to loosely pull it through that stitch and all the way up to where my single crochet stitch is. I'm then going to yarn over. I'm going to pull it through both of those loops. Okay, so that's how that's going to look. I'm going to make a regular in the next one. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and make a shorter one this time. I'm just going to work into the last row that we had made. Grab that yarn, pull it through, pull it up, yarn over, pull through both loops. Again, you can work into any of the previous rows down here. I'm going to work in this one. Grab that yarn from behind your work, pull it through that stitch, loosely pull it up. To meet your previous single crochet. Take the yarn that you're working, yarn over your hook, pull through both of those loops. Working a regular one in this one. Okay. And again, you can even go, I'm going to go all the way down here to the first row that we had made. I'm going to grab that yarn, I'm going to loosely pull it all the way up to meet that single crochet. And I'm going to take the yarn that I'm still working from behind my work. I'm going to yarn over, I'm going to pull through both of those loops. It's a really long spike stitch. Okay, you can see how the top of them look like a regular single crochet. So they're lining up together. One regular in the next one. Alright, I'm going to do a shorter one this time. This is where you would insert your hook. Grab that yarn, you're going to pull it through that stitch, pull it all the way up to meet that single crochet stitch. Yarn over, pull through both loops. I'm just going to make a regular one in this last one. Okay, so that's how the spike stitch, the single crochet spike stitch is going to look. This is how the back of your yarn, or the back of your project is going to look when making those spike stitches. Okay. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please leave me any feedback on future videos that you would like to see or any future patterns that you would like to see. Follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Thank you guys for being here. Have a great day.